Nah, chat. Chat, is that you, yeah? Late night Asian stream again, or what? Surely not, chat. Surely we're not this locked in with the fellas. Surely. The Sunday session. Are we dead ass, chat? Can you guys hear me? Or am I talking to myself? No, you can. Chat, should we start the stream or what? It's 1 a.m. nearly. Market opens soon. And we need, chat, we need to make $10 million. It's serious right now, chat. Very, very important that we make 10 mil right now. If we don't make 10 mil right now, chat, then we might be cooked. Like, we might actually be cooked. So, is that Mr. Early? I don't think it's that early. Maybe. Maybe. All right, chat. 3, 2. Asian session stream. Holy shit, chat. He's actually one of my mates. 10 mil, that's light work. 20 mil minimum. 100 mil. 100 mil right this instant. Otherwise, you're all banned. Seriously. Let me add Asian session. Or is it Asian session or Asia session? I feel like it's Asia session. No one says Asian session. Even though that's technically, I mean, whatever. It doesn't matter, chat. Listen. All right, chat. All right. So, Let's get into it. Delete the drawings. Let's do a quick analysis. But chat, most importantly, how have you guys been? How was the weekend? What did you guys get up to? Anyone buy any fresh accounts? Anyone trade Bitcoin? Anyone buy Bitcoin? Anyone, I don't know, quit their job? What did you guys do? All right, chat, though, look. You guys are quiet today, huh? Sleepy beepies over here. What is this? That's not what I want. So. Daily time frame, chat. That's the biggest wick I've ever seen, ever. Oh, no way, chat. On everything, I had a level here. I wanted to say buys that. We didn't tap it, though. We did not tap it. Made 1K playing poker? Holy. Bro's you're gonna have to teach me poker. Alright, chat. Daily time frame, bearish, obviously. 4-hour time frame, also kind of bearish. But I'm struggling to not marry my bias here, to be honest. For me, this seems so obvious that it's a liquidity grab, which makes me think it might not be a liquidity grab, right? But it seems so simple that this is just a liquidity grab to come back up. And if gold does re-break those highs, I promise you it's going to like 6-7K. Anyway, nonetheless, who's excited for the market to open, by the way? Who is excited for that? I'm kind of excited. Anyway, levels, chat. Levels. There's levels to the game. I think we're looking at... Oh my days, chat. Oh my days. These levels are huge. These ranges are huge. That looks like a tiny range, right? It looks like a pretty small range. It's 550 ticks. We've got another level here. Down towards here. That we close respecting. And that is 700 ticks. 600. Then you got another level down here. That's another 450. Holy shit. Yeah, if we can close below here though, we'll take a look at some sells. Right? You have a daily wick to fill. You have lots of stuff that could happen here, chat. If you do close below, even here, below 813, chat, you're going to go to literally Narnia. I also think for the buys, we should probably, I mean, this level does look okay, but we should probably wait for a closure above 955 because then we have a bit of a market structure shift. I'm a bit hesitant to take buys, to be honest. I don't know if I even will. We need to see how the market opens up. Right? We need to see how the market opens up. It's very, very important. Chat, I saw a video just earlier of someone who got a hat from Top Step for 5K payouts. Where's my hat, bro? Where's my hat? I want a hat. Maybe they sent it to my house in the UK. Someone tell me. Young boys. They hiked up margins. Someone tell me what this means, by the way. Everyone's talking about they hiked margins. What does that even mean? Why go how many people? You have to order it? Is it? Where? Where do I order it? Oh, wait. I have a little secret channel now on Top Step for being a paid out trader. How fun is that? Where's my hat? Is the hat circle? Nah, I wish. That'd be goated, not gonna lie. How's your weekend, lad? It was chilling, Ewan. It was chilling. SG thinks he's cold. Yeah, why is everything I do so cold? Like, literally everything I do is mad. Chat, by the way, I've been working on Sure Insight Discord over the weekend. It's just gonna be fire. Coming soon. So all Discords near you. And we're at nearly 1.5k members on Sure Insight as well. Pretty nutty, chat. Pretty nutty. I think this will be the first open we don't gap up and gap down. Yeah, I think we could probably gap down. High margins, more risky trades. With traders over like. Oh, okay. It is I didn't know if it was like margins like that or something else. Alright. The journal is wilding for real. Thank you, Sam. W7, what's good, my bro? Chat, yeah, the journal's going crazy. We've had more updates over the weekend as well. Had more updates over the weekend. First of all, I want to see if some of these updates got made yet. Down $55 on the website? Hey, what do you mean? Like, fucking pre-market? No way it's down $55 pre-market. That was pretty accurate last time as well. Check the website I sent you. Where'd you send it? In the Discord or what? Or was it on DM? Where's my hat? I need a Top Step hat. Oh, you sent it on DM. Wait. What's good, Jimbo? How's it going, man? Edson, what's good? Let's go, brother. Glad you're back on YouTube. I haven't left YouTube, man. I've been on YouTube the whole time. But much love anyway. I appreciate it. Come on, chat. What do you guys think of the Asian session streams? I'm enjoying them. I can't lie. Come on. $55 Bumberclark dollars down on the open. Oh man. 61% of client accounts are long in this market. Holy shit. We're gonna get squeezed or what? %61% of client accounts are long on this market. What is this? IG. Oh, this is the broker, right? Is it a CFD broker though? It is, right? Buying the dip on BTC? Yeah, I will be. I will be. I don't know if we go lower though. I'm thinking we either go towards. I had like a level around. No, where was it? Like here somewhere. Mid 7. Oh no, it's here. Sorry. Like 30 to 40k Bitcoin. Blood. It better not. I don't think it'll go that low. If it goes that low, then I'll buy so much. Trust? Source, trust me, bro. Chat, we might be able to get a position off market open then. If we're gonna literally gap down, what we'll do is, it's what I've been doing when we've been gapping, right? We'll look at the first like 1 minute candle, the first 5 minute candle, all that sort of stuff, and see if we can get a nice position based off of the back of the volume, essentially. You know what I mean, chat? Price impact, this will either drop or skyrocket. Nah, it's gonna drop. Yeah, but Blandy, why? I need a thesis behind that. I'm thinking, if Bitcoin goes to like 60k, doesn't MicroStrategy get, pretty sure MicroStrategy get margin called? Because their average buy price is 76. If they get margin called, then it's game over, right? Chat, by the way, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. How they're doubling down now. I read something low-key about them being able to afford the premiums. Hey, what's good, Max? How's it going, man? The retail was liquidated by hedge funds and institutional. There was 19k longs open. 19k, surely more than that, right? Oh, do you mean 19,000 individual longs? That's kind of crazy. Because everyone's fucking like leverage trading this, which is crazy. What's good, Mark? How's it going, man? I've got like a good 10k I'm willing to put into Bitcoin if it comes down a bit lower. How's your weekend? Very, very good, bro. Very good. Thank you. Right, we got a little sky dweller forming here just as the market closed. Somehow I don't think that's going to play an impact. If you went short just before market close, I think you're going to be good here. Order fails. How long do we have, chat? A minute and a bit? Yeah, a minute and 20 seconds. All right, chat, lock it in, lock it in, lock it in. Lock it in, fellas. I've received word on what to do. Go on, do share. How long would you want Bitcoin to go? Honestly, now for me, right now is not a bad spot, and then I'll just dollar cost average if we go further down. 77k is a 2x to 150k, right? 2x is a lot, and I can easily see it going to 150. What's the word, Thomas? Why am I looking at Bitcoin right now? I need to be looking at gold. Wait. Don't long until 72. Or 47, 72 or 45, 40. Which one? You can't just say a back number. You normally go live Sunday? No, it's first time in a while, but I thought it could be fun. Because now... Enrix? What's that talking about? Oh, here. Oh, chat, we opened up here. Holy gapperoni. Never said that in my life. Was IG market right? Did we gap down 50? We gapped down more than $50. We gapped down $100. That's insane. Absolutely fucking insane. Oh man. Alright, let's delete this obviously just to show I'm not in a position. Unreal. 1 minute opened up here and we are like re-flipping bullish. Time to sit on your hands, chat. If you ported the open, right, you would have got like 50 ticks. 650 tick 1 minute candle, something like that. Yeah, something minor, chat, something minor. But we tapped to start 28, no? By the way, it looks like the candle's flipping, it's not flipping, right? I ported the open and put us my challenge, fair play. Congrats. Degen ass trade, but at least it worked. Alright, 1 minute close bullish. Let's see each other. There's going to be so much potential tonight. I'm excited for this. Got 3 live accounts now. Congrats. Chat, I've been stacking my funding too, low-key. I'm going to go back to copy trading. Currently, I'm sat at 1, 2... wait. 1... Fucking hell. 1, 2, 3, 4... There's another one. 5... That's... No, wait. One of them's 100k. So that's 6, 300, 500... Like 500k in funding right now. Chat, we are ripping back up. Does this shit flip? Nah. Chat, by the way, who said 650 tick candle? It was way more than that. This is a 140... No, 1,400 tick candle. Holy shit, 140 points. Ah, the man himself. The man, the myth, the legend. Hello, mate. Wait, I can't hear you. Bro's mic is not plugged in. Did you count the gap as part of the candle? Yeah, of course. Caught the flip on my PA by accident. Was meant to go in on my eval. Holy shit, guys, what did you make? And fucking close that account out. Hasn't flipped yet? No. Yeah, it definitely hasn't flipped. You're right. The flip is still here. For me, at least. That's the way I count it. Because that is the true open, right? I know people talk about gaps and stuff. For me, a gap is just a candle like this, where it's basically just a, you know, a clean traffic candle. Chat, I'm in a call with Tom right now, but I can't hear, bro. So I don't know what he...
Sorry, I wasn't talking.
Oh, he's just faded.
That guy was completely wrong.
What guy?
You know the one that I said...
Right.
Mark out the 15-minute range, high and low.
You just got cooked, no?
Well, anybody that copied him has just got destroyed, yeah. Because you closed below, so everyone will have shorted the absolute bottom there, and then you've...
Oh shit! Yeah, actually, we did just close below on the 5 as well. Chat, yeah. What I'm trying to say as well is this 15. This 5-minute close is not bullish. I know it says it's bullish, but it's not bullish, right? Because true opens here. Closed out on 327 quick. Pay out tomorrow now. Got lucky with that. Guys, lock out. Wait, you don't have to wait till tomorrow though. If you lock out, you can request. Like if that was your last day, you can lock out and request. Like lock out for the entire day, I mean. Is that on Alpha? Chat, by the way, 70 people in here right now. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Much love. We're gonna stay on till at least Asia Open tonight. So yeah, we should be good. How? Once you lock out, it should count. Like once you lock out for the entire day on Project X. Oh, is it on Tradeovate? Oh, it might be on Tradeovate, right? My bad. Oh, yeah, okay, my bad. Yeah, well then you have to wait till tomorrow. Chat, this is kind of crazy. We're kind of rejecting upwards a little bit here. What did you get up to this weekend, Mr. T-Mac?
What did I do? I didn't really do much this weekend.
You're super quiet still. You need to get... I'm going to buy you a new mic.
I know.
Actually, you can buy... You're up... I don't want to tell people how much you're up, but... You made some good money this month. You can buy yourself a mic.
Well, you can tell them I don't mind.
Chat.
Soul flex.
Chat, this guy's got 15k in buffer on his alphas right now. 15 bandolinis, as we say. WT Mac. I can't call you that. W Tom. Alright. We're re-flipping here, chat. Buy yourself some new t-shirts. Gaz got you, mate.
Sam, what's the mic that you have? I like that one.
It's the Shure SHURE something.
Is it on? Can I get it on Amazon?
Yeah. Wait, I'll show you. Shure MV7.
MV7.
They're quite expensive though, but they're really good.
Yeah, but it's like the type of thing that once you buy it once, you never have to upgrade.
Yeah, it's like the podcast mic. You know, like what all the.
Yeah, I might buy one. My mic is was £25.
Yeah.
It's rubbish.
1 minute Skydweller, FOMO now. Fire.
I don't know why it doesn't work though. It kind of.
Do you not have settings to turn it up or something?
There was never an issue. I mean, you remember when we used to play COD and shit like every night? Was there ever an issue with my mic then?
No, not really.
That's what I'm saying. Like, it's just recently happened.
There must be a setting you can turn it back up on.
I think it's just ever since I did my PC setup. I think there's just a wire loose somewhere, but I just don't know where it is. Let me go on my inputs.
Chat, Bitcoin retaking the lows here as well. Fuck me. No one talk to me about Bitcoin from this moment on until it's at an all-time high, alright? Every time it goes down, we're losing bread.
Like, is that better?
Not noticeably.
Channel.
There must be the input settings. Alright, chat. So you got another 5-minute close here. Did anyone take any positions on that open? I know Gaz accidentally ported his fucking PA. W. Anyone else get anything? I think this comes. I think we should at least come down and take previous day lows, right? Crypto Minute lost hella bread. No.
What about now? Is that better?
Yeah, it is. A little bit.
Wait, honestly, is that better?
Tiny bit, yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
Bro, Crypto Minute, that bet. If you're in stream, that better be eval. 1, 2, 3.
I mean, word of advice, don't trade NQ in Asia. All of the American banks are asleep. It moves horribly.
Yeah, I never trade Asia. My general rule of thumb is never trade NQ before
New York session.
yeah, NYSE.
Oh.
Oh. Chat, this is insane. This is DXY coming back to life. Dollar's getting stronger, right? Low-key, if the 15 does close below here, chat, sales don't look terrible. Like they really don't. To fill this wick down, they look alright. Oh, okay, it's gonna break the low. If this breaks the low, chat, I'm somewhat certain it's gone.
Oh no, why am I hearing the market is open? Is fucking Top Step and shit bugged?
The market is open.
I hate it when that lady starts shouting at me. Because that's just when you know the platform's about to be cooked.
The worst thing with that is if you're trying to take a position like an hour before the market's closing, and she literally goes, like, the market is closed. It's like, no.
Oh my god, look at this sell.
Chat, we just rebroke the lows again. Holy skibbity. Holy skibbity, chat, this is insane. I thought we were gonna get a closure at least, but it's rebroke the lows. It's rebroke the lows.
honestly hate price action like this because the only people that win are just the FOMO traders.
This is what I've been saying, bro. This is actually what I've been saying. By the way, chat, can you hear Tom? I just don't want to fuck up the volumes again. Is the music too loud? Is the music good? Let me know. Low-key, the last couple of weeks, if you're a FOMO trader, you made so much bread.
Like a ridiculous amount.
But the people who were disciplined most likely got cooked. I feel like that's insane.
All the FOMO traders just got stopped out.
As I'm saying that, Brad goes 700 ticks secured. Nah, W, bro, congrats. Holy skibbity, this is insane. Professional trader, by the way. Or did I say holy skibbity? Well, that's how you know I'm serious. Full pot on candle flip. The 15 closed look good, but the problem is it's filled the range now. Did it take the daily low? No, it didn't. Interesting. Orb traders had a good past week. Orb traders, are we dead ass? Made 1k on a 50k account and on that sell, then made 2k on a 100k live. Wow, congrats. I mean, hopefully you had a setup and you weren't just porting. Because if you were porting, then it's not really sustainable. But
with the clock.
Huh?
The rabbit with the clock.
Yeah. Oh, Tom, I found the new GIF meta, but I'll tell you after stream.
You found some good ones.
I figured out how everyone finds them. Last week I was super disciplined and made 500 on my PA. Nice, Mark. Yeah, no. It's definitely possible to make money being disciplined, obviously, right? There's no other choice. But I'm saying, people that were porting.
Yeah, we're just talking about short term. Short term is really good to just be degen, but I mean, in a year's time, like, you're going to have blown all of the profits you've made. Guaranteed.
Chat, but if this 15 does close below, I will take a look at some shorts. But it's gonna have to be on an eval because I'm not trading this on a PA. It's just ridiculous. And also, holy stops. Because technically, also the problem we have is the 1 hour still has no top wick. Wait till silver tanks, then short copper. Smart.
If I were you, I would only trade your breakout and flip model.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Stops below. Stops like on current candle.
For it to come down, grab all the liquidity, flip, and then go back towards you. Like, gold is just flipping and driving right now. So I would.
Yeah, chat. I am actually gonna have a sell stop on this flip right here. Probably like. Here. Basically targeting previous daily lows. Once it flips, if we get activated, stops will be current candle because literally nothing else you can do.
You want to be wrong quickly with
yeah.
This marker.
Agreed.
Order filled.
Alright, chat. I got activated. Alright, chat. I'm BE on that one. Immediately break even. Like instant. Chat, I'm gonna go ahead and let this one ride to the wick fill, I think. I got taken out here. Oh, I moved this. Why did I move this?
I would stay BE, not gonna lie. Yeah.
Order filled.
Bro, I saw 700 on that trade just then. Low key. I don't even know how. I mean, yeah, 1-to-1. This comes back down there, but we hit BE, chat.
How do you see on Top Step how much you actually need to get, because one of my days I had over 15. I forgot about the 50% consistency, so they need me to make more money.
I don't know. Chat, if this re-breaks, that is tough.
I don't even know where you see.
Oh, that is so sad. I mean, yeah, it is what it is, I guess. I saw 700 on that. I was thinking about closing, but then I also was just like, it's an eval, you know what I mean? Maybe we get the next closure, I don't know. We'll wait and see here, chat. We'll wait and see. A bit of a strange market right now. And there's the rip. Oh my days, watch this just immediately run. You trading evals or PA? Today I'm going to be trading evals.
Okay, I think I just...
What?
I don't know. I don't know if I passed my top steps or not.
Oh my days, chat. We're coming for that daily low. That would have been TP hit.
And you need $70.
Prob's going to be a spectator. Dylan, I'm not going to lie. It's probably a good idea, to be truly honest. It either breaks, like, takes the daily low as liquidity, previous daily low, or it continues way, way past it, right? Yeah, the break even was, I mean, realistically, I went break even at 170 ticks. Like, come on. I can't not go BE there. What was the risk as well? I don't even think the risk was that high. Yeah, so we went break even at like a 1-to-1. It's not terrible. What's good, Dano? How's it going, man? I need $62 for my Tradeify eval. Slow and steady, my friend. 30-minute close in 10 minutes, chat. Crazy right now, yeah, insane. Insane. I do want to try and see if we can get some nice sells here, though. Sold gold and silver at the open. Congrats. Yeah, chat, if you just ported sells at the open. Discipline keeps your mentality sane, otherwise you'd be all over the place. This is 100% true as well, right? Like, if you go ahead and, if you're like full porting random setups, it's not only just the probability that goes down, it's also like your brain just gets fucked. Because you don't know what you've taken the trade off of, you don't know all the confluences, you don't know the data behind it, so then in your head you're thinking, did I manage this trade correctly? Did I fuck up? Like, you know, all that sort of stuff. Oh, we need to add that to trades taken. Wait. Trades taken.
Oh.
Gold.
Additional
Sells.
profits needed, $123.
Hey, you need 123.
Nah, I got 160, but I wasn't sure if that was enough.
No. Blew my accounts this morning because I full ported Penguins coin. GG. No more puffles for you, mate. Crypto said it was on 4 evals and 2 PAs. Blood. I was joking when I told him to trade London, to trade Asian. And I've got the disclaimer in all the videos, not financial advice. Chat, by the way, if you guys haven't already, make sure you go ahead and sign up for Sure Insight, right? We are adding some new features over this weekend, or we did add some new features. Got loads of new stuff coming. Broker Sync is now going to be available soon, I believe. It's already functional, but we just want to work on some tests and shit. Just make sure it's perfect. We're working on a fucking trade copier. We're working on back testing. Everything's coming to SureInsight. It's going to be insane. And by the way, boys, Tradeify just dropped a new sale. They have 30% off regular accounts, and they have 40% off the 150k select account. Now the select accounts are like the best accounts that they have because you can get daily payouts. You can get $1,000 a day in payouts, which is kind of crazy. So I would recommend getting them. If you want to get the 150k, you do get 40% off, which is kind of nuts. And yeah. Did you take a dub just then? Nah, B. We hit B. We hit B on this right here, and it ran just 500.
Eval or PA?
What?
Was that eval or PA?
Nah, it was eval. It was eval. I'm only trading evals tonight.
Alright. I was gonna say I would absolutely take 700 on a PA.
Nah, yeah, it was eval.
If it's eval, I'd have let myself get beat on that too.
Yeah. Because TP here was like 1500 for top step, so you testing the port in the Apex PA, then getting through the buffer? I will do, yeah, I will do, but not today. I'm gonna take aggressive setups, but good setups. I'm also tempted to just trade it normally, you know. Chat, look, we are looking to reject here. You didn't quite come and grab daily lows. That is obviously the most obvious, but that is the most obvious area for us to come down and grab liquidity, right? Draw on liquidity, but it actually is. So, huh?
Oh. I'm just saying this has formed a really nice range for OTE now for a short to continue this even lower.
Backing out the OTE or what?
It's like just the full 15-minute. Yeah.
Yeah, fair. 4755 and 4776 sell zone. Maybe. Stupid to trade PAs today? Yeah, who would do that, eh? Who would do that, guys? Not me. I've just got fuck. I've just got 3 notifications through of people resetting their trade accounts. Someone blew it on the open. SG Toys.
I saw so many people blew their accounts full port and longs on the open, and that gap down just instantly destroyed them.
Wait, they full ported longs?
Yeah.
Oh, why?
I'm not even really sure how that works though, because surely you don't get filled if it gaps down. I suppose if you mark it enter.
They're probably spamming it on the open. Chat, 15, like 5 minute nearly flipped. 15 closed. Wait, what? Oh no, sorry, it hasn't closed yet. What am I on about? I was tripping. Title probably made everyone go long. Yeah, trust me. I tried to rage bait in the title. When SG prop, I don't know if I'll start a prop. Low-key, I would do, but for right now, SureInsight is, you know, my main focus. Well, TRLS is my main focus, then SureInsight, right? But low-key, I mean, I'm having a lot of fun with SureInsight. Like growing that, building it, it's amazing. Oh yeah, the government shutdown. That's what I was thinking about, bro. I was thinking about, when I said in the Discord, was there any news over the weekend? The government shutdown is what I was thinking of. How are they shut down again?
That's crazy.
What's good, Blizzy, by the way? Spread is too big. That's why you gotta trade futures. Look, like, bro, this website that Blandy showed me might be the meta, because it's been right the last 3 weeks. Tom, it shows you basically the open price, like the pre-market price.
Is it actually? But look, I remember I was watching you. It said 61% of people are going long, so most people actually lost.
No, yeah, but it said, well, it still says that, but it said here that the price was minus $55 pre-market.
Oh. If you trade Forex, though, can't you see what the current price is? Because Forex markets, like, you can.
Nah, it's still closed over the weekend.
What about options? Can you see the options price for gold over the weekends?
No, I think it's just orders being placed. I'm not really sure how it works. What's this website called? I'll send it in the Discord, yeah. I think it's just or like a page on IG Markets account. I'll put it in the trading floor in the Discord chat. If you're not in the free Discord already, then here's the link to join. Make sure you join up. 30-minute closing in 2 minutes, boys. My problem is we've already filled the range. But I do think we come down for this daily low. So maybe we can try the same trade, right? 30-minute top wick and flip, same shit. Not gonna lie, my risk was way too big on that trade before. I saw $700 just before a 1-to-1, so I must have been risking like 800 on it. But then it's an eval, so.
Samuel.
2 minutes. Chat, who was here for the last Asia session stream? Did you enjoy it? And what are you guys thinking about this one? Or like, not this one, but Asian session streams in general. That trade was mental.
Do you use bracket orders on alpha or not alpha on top stuff?
Not on top stuff.
Like, I always just do my bracket order at 1,000.
Yeah, just in case.
Yeah, just in case like it's hella quick volume.
Yeah, I did that, to be fair. The other day, I figured out the meta because I keep getting $10 away from a pass. You know that thing where it hits TP and it's magically $10 away?
Yeah.
So what I did is I set up a bracket order where I was just like risking $10. Then TP was $10, and just like the moment it started moving, I just entered in and it immediately filled TP. It was a pretty smart way of doing it. Wait, boys, 30-minute closing right now. Focus up.
My tummy is rumbling.
I have to pop the 1 micro. We have started to consolidate though. Maybe we wait for Asia Open here. When is Asia Open? Hour and a half. Pop 10. Mr. Calm FX. Nah, I'm not like you, bro. I can't scalp like you, my bro. 1 minute is us. Blood's on the 1 minute time frame. Can't believe we hit BE on that. That was the most nuts position. Oh, come on, chat. Give us a top wick. Give us a top wick.
Brain stings.
Why is there a massive gap on the 30-minute on my broker? What is that? It's not a big enough top wick for me either. Who would have thought that 45 ticks is not a big enough top wick?
By the way, I mean, I don't know if you know, you might know, but if you accidentally market or if you market order, you got a mini loaded up there on that account.
You got what?
If you market order, you've got a mini loaded up on that account.
Oh yeah, nah.
Just in case you didn't know.
I was gonna right click on and execute, but yeah, you are right. Low-key, if you I've done that before, like had the wrong contract number up or been on GC and market ordered and it's just like immediate. To be fair, I think it was immediate profit when I did it, but we can barely hear Tom, by the way. I can barely hear Tom, Mark. It's not me.
I know. I'm gonna order a mic tonight.
Bro's literally got the, you know that when you used to buy the Xbox 360 back in the day and it came with a headset with like one foam ear cup and then like a tiny mic that came like that. That's what he's using right now. The one everyone used to blow into. Last Friday
Is that better?
Yeah, that actually is a lot better.
Yeah, that's because I've got my mouth literally over the mic.
Right, let me take this. It's hot in here. I'm gonna head out and get some food and maybe a little gambling. Do you mean actual gambling, like poker or what? Last week Friday was a great Asian session. Please do more, Sam. If people turn up, then I'll do more. Those mics were goated for slurs. For legal reasons, that's a joke. But yeah, Blizzy, you're 100% right. There's nothing sounding better than a slur down one of those mics.
Oh, I did pass. Just got the email.
Huh?
I did pass, I just got the email.
Oh, nice. I didn't do it. I was just in a lot of card lobbies. You know, I would never. Yeah, Blizzy, you don't strike me as the type of guy to do that. I can't believe we had a 320 tick trade last Friday that came back to break even. Genuinely a generational trade. Nah, lads. I'm not being funny. I'm not being funny. My girl on the open caught... What time frame is this? 5 minute. Blood. She caught the entire move. Like, no cap, my girl just sent me a text saying she caught this. To here. I've been teaching her to trade. She just caught 100 points. 110 points on gold. That's insane, bro. That might be... Bro taught his girl to gamble. That's an insane position. Chat, my girl just out-traded all of you. So, you boys better fucking... You better lock in, actually. Thank you. And then made me a tea. Excited for a 360 live deal. Listen, 80-20 revenue share. This instant. Where's her stream at? I'm trying to catch them too. Bro, you'll never catch her on stream. I'm gonna have to get her on that revenue share agreement. My girl's just out-traded me, actually. At this point, I better get in the kitchen.
You might need to put the fries in the bag.
Yeah, I actually might need to start folding the fucking laundry and everything. "30-minute break of own low." I don't like this rejection, bro. 5-minute no top wick there. Here we are watching SG and she's out there watching someone else and catching trades. Blood, she's watching the stream. Obviously. But I don't think she was even watching it to take the trade. How long will we be live for? Wait, Tom, how long till Asia open? Hour and a half?
No, 25 minutes. Wait, no. 25 minutes until I can trade, and then an hour and 25 minutes till the Asia open.
So maybe hour and a half. If price action looks good. Otherwise, I don't know. Maybe a little bit less.
Asia open is 3 AM for you.
I fucking hate the fact that Asian's so late here. That's the one bad thing about Cyprus.
But you know what it is? When London's meta, we're gonna be saying how good Cyprus is.
Yeah, that is true. I think when I moved here, London was meta, and I was waking up at like 10 and then being like, you know, that's London Open, obviously. Meanwhile, I'll do some journaling. What app will you use to journal? Oh, that one. Sure Insight. Wow. Great app. You in a position? No, but this is just, I was just showing the position my girl caught. She exited here though. So she held for quite a while. Respectable. I would not be holding that. With 1 mini, that's like $1,000. No, 1 micro, sorry, that's $1,000. With 1 mini, that's 10 bands. No? More? No, that's about right. Yeah. 11 bandolinis. Holy. Does she have a PA? Nah, eval. Oh, Tom. She needs to pass one before you know who.
Wait. Well, no, that reference is lost on me. I don't know who, like, genuinely.
Well, which female day trader hasn't passed me?
Oh, well, right. Okay. Yes, I know who.
Yeah, chat. Still looks great? Nah, of course. Bro, she's got the pink chart colors though, the classic.
Did you see the trader I sent you who is 17, is on day 23 of learning to trade, but now has a Telegram link in a bio selling signals?
So good. It's so good. I love it. Like, I love seeing...
She's unironically kind of leg though, so it's like... I might buy it.
That's next, like, top tier simping is buying a female trader's signals. Seen I think Tory Trades got exposed again somehow. They just love getting exposed, these traders.
You know, this is why I kind of glaze Powell so much, is because Powell is the only big influencer I see that just shits on all of these traders. He was fucking ripping into Tory Trades, he was ripping into Trades by side. Like, he's the only influencer that actually calls these people out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good. Why is the stream silent? Hold on, let me pull this up.
I made a video on both of those people. Grr.
Yeah, I mean outside of us.
No, I know, I'm just messing. But yeah, you are right. You know what though? My thing was, I always said, before I was profitable, I always said, like, when I get mad payouts, I'm just gonna shit on everyone. And like, what, you know, all the frauds and like fake traders. And then when I got bare payouts, I just didn't even care about, like, I just couldn't even give a shit about Trades by side, Tory Trades. Because they're just, I don't know, it feels to me so immoral. I feel like karma or retribution will get them somehow. But yeah, low-key might be good content and just start absolutely shredding into these people. Do you know what would be a sick idea? I have a very strong suspicion this is not actually going to be an idea suggestion. It's going to be something silly or whatever. But go on, tell me, what would be a good idea? Oh, go on. No, I don't have an idea. I'm asking you for one. See, I know it. Chat, we might actually reverse the entire move here. I don't understand also how a gap works. Like, why doesn't TradingView just have a thing that automatically fills it in? 1-0 is crazy. Actually, can you speak any German, by the way? I think you know that I can. I'm fluent in German. Well, not fluent, but I speak enough German to get by. 5-minute FVG, 47.91. Well, you closed above that, no? Does that not mean it was disrespected? Is that not how FVGs work? Was it not disrespected? I don't know. Chat. It's getting a bit desperate for conversation over here. Guess what tea I've got? It's a German tea. What flavor is it? You have to guess the name of the flavor. Wait. My German is better than you, Will. Definitely. Tell us what's going on with gold in German. That's the one thing I don't really know. I watch my boy Geordie's stream sometimes, and he's talking about like Risikofrei, like risk-free and shit, which I think is quite cool. Or what does he say? What does bro say? Something about closing above. I can't remember what he says. Game the Risikofrei. But Geordie's also, I think, Austrian, right? So he's got a bit of an accent. Chat, 2 minutes here to the 15 close as well.
Do you like Frankfurt or 9?
What'd you say?
No.
Ostfriesen. What is that? East Fries? I don't even know what that means. East Frisian are a German ethnic group. No. It's called Wintertraum. Winter Dream. That's right. Austria generally my favorite place. Place is so beautiful, especially in winter. Yeah, I was just there. Austria is really nice. Like really, really, really nice. Fucking very nice place. Bro, chart is behaving weird. Yeah. Of course. I mean, it's been behaving weird for probably the last week, I would say. Apex has, what, 30% consistency? So if I port it and make a 10k trade, I have to get like 40k. It's not worth it. Tom, have you ever played Rocket League?
Yeah.
You any good?
I don't know. I don't really know what qualifies as good.
Did you play ranked or no?
Yeah, I got to the first tier, like the bottom, not the top, of diamonds in like my first, after my placements. So like you play 10 games or whatever, 15 maybe.
Well, yeah, I mean, I'm only like, I think I'm only diamond, at the minute I'm diamond 2 or something, so like, yeah, pretty much the same as me.
But I didn't like, when I was playing, like we're on PC as well, so I would imagine people are like going to be really, like diamond is usually quite a good rank on PC, but people weren't even really backing out like
Mate,
aerials and shit. So I just kind of assumed diamond was a bit of a clanker rank.
nah, it's not really, but the problem is just, you just always get retard teammates. It's impossible to solo queue for me to champ because I'm not good enough to carry it like an absolute spastic, but I'm also, you know, not on their level.
You pull your weight at your rank.
Yeah. Oh my days, chat. The Sky Dweller. Oh my days. The 5-minute Sky Dweller, chat. Who took that?
Holy top tick.
I was busy talking about Rocket League. No, I wouldn't have taken it anyway, to be truly honest. 15-minute and 30-minute, 15-minute close bullish. I did? Nice, Blizzy. You probably just saw like 10 bans in a millisecond. I'm so tempted, but 15 closed above? Yeah, agreed. I was looking at it, but because this can still flip and drive up, right? Like very easily. Going to sleep now? Good night. What do I need on this account? 850? Yeah. Little 2-to-1. Oh, chat, you know what I watched, like, whilst I was eating yesterday, was, Did anyone see that? You know that Alex Honnold guy? He climbed that Tapey 101 skyscraper. Bro, that shit is so scary.
Bro, have you seen the more impressive climb that he did, like the best one of his career? Have you seen the one that he did?
What's that?
He's the only person in recorded history to free solo the what's it called in America? I think it's in Georgia.
Oh, the Grand Canyon.
Nah, it's the documentary's called Free Solo. Go on Google and type it in. It'll come up straight away.
Is it the same guy, Alex Honnold? Is it El Capitan
Yeah,
or some shit?
Yeah, El Capitan. He's the only person to climb that.
Yeah, this is the same guy.
And this is the hardest climb ever.
Yeah.
He does that with no rope or anything. He just climbs up it with just a little backpack and some chalk.
It's ridiculous. Bro, but he just did one the other day. Like, he did it live, and he was just talking to people whilst doing it, bro. Tapey 101, it's like 1,500 feet or something.
Yeah, I was seeing him, I think he was on a Joe Rogan podcast talking about how, like, you would think this is harder, but this is like a walk in the park for him. It's just like a giant ladder.
Yeah. The only hard thing he said was these things, because they're like stainless steel and slippy.
Slippy, yeah.
I just always think, like, it only takes 1 second of not concentrating to, well, just be cooked. His brain doesn't register fit? Nah, because, oh, what's good, Joe? How you doing, man? He said on the thing that he is still scared when he's doing it, but he just, like, knows how to get past it or some shit. Which I think is pretty retarded, because fear is quite an important thing. He also said, like, they asked him if he's worried because he has kids, and, like, he was like, yeah, I obviously don't want to die because I've got kids. So it's like, right, well, surely that would mean stop climbing these random bullshit fucking cliffs and ledges. Bro suppresses his only natural survival instinct. Yeah. My chart is delayed with 10 minutes. Oh, easy then. Just watch my stream, and then you'll know where price is gonna go, and then you can, like, you can take a position to where it's gonna be in 10 minutes. So you basically you can make free money off that. Try it out. Oh, I just clocked. I poured electrolytes into my tea. That's not good. Low-key, this might be the price action of boredom and despair. Does that count as insider trading? It's technically time travel, I think. Wait, is that documentary on Netflix or not?
Free Solo? I'm
Yeah.
not sure. I watched it ages ago. I'd kind of forgotten who he was, but when he was doing the podcast with Joe Rogan, when he mentioned he was the one that climbed it, it was like, because he looks really different now, I think.
Is it a good documentary?
Yeah, it is really good.
I'll watch.
Have you seen the special type of pull-ups that he does?
Yeah, like weird muscle ups.
That he like holds it super wide.
Mad.
Like he almost does pull-ups at, like, if you were to just put your arms like out your wingspan, and then he like does pull-ups like that.
He's like mad strong. His grip strength must be ridiculous.
Bro, you gotta think, right, after, like, I'm pretty good at pull-ups, right, but after 10, 15, like, I am completely fatigued. He does like 300 of these pull-ups in a row to, like, train, because, like, when you're climbing, like, it's basically just an unlimited pull-up.
Yeah, and also, like the grips they have on these rocks. Sometimes they're gripping on in like half a centimeter ledges like that. And, like, that's all they have to pull themselves up. Like, look at that shit. Yo, we might get a nice closure here though on the hourly in 8 minutes. This actually could be quite good, chat. I just don't like how it's struggling over and over and over. Not really ideal. Loki, let me turn my AC on. It's fucking boiling. Just can't find the fucking thing. That's it. Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for the hourly candle close. The hourly candle closes shit, then we'll call it a stream. Because I'm not staying on and watching this all night. We got hit BE, there's no need to chase anything, right? It's 2 BEs in a row now. Also, the 1 minute's starting to consolidate. Is this not a sky dollar up on the 30? No. On the 15, you mean? On the 15, it kind of could be, but hasn't swept any liquidity. You'd want it to sweep like previous day low or something. And also, we're quite bearish. I don't take sky dwellers against the bias. That's my general rule of thumb, right? Like, I will never ever take a sky dweller like, wait. You know when price is doing this? I would never take a sky dweller to do this move here, you know, the little retracement. I would only take like a sky dweller from the lower high being made to then, it's a continuation model, right? It's not like a, it's not a reversal model. I'm not trying to top tick or bottom tick with it. I do think, yeah, Calm, I do think it wants to grab the lows. I'm just concerned, I think we might consolidate for until Asia open. And I don't want to wait an hour. Low-key, Tom, thinking about it though, it's probably the optimal sleep schedule for me. Obviously, excluding life, to stay up late for Asian, right? Because then I can just sleep in till New York.
Yeah, that's what I do. I stay up till about 5, 6 a.m. every day, and then I wake up at like 2:25, 5 minutes before New York session.
Yeah, like I could sleep 5 till, let's say 12, right? And that's still 10 o'clock your time. It's not terrible. I also, yeah. Do you remember when you were at mine and we were literally, like, we'd go to bed at like 6 a.m.?
Yeah. Well, this is what I'm saying. I think coming to yours has genuinely ruins my sleep quality, because now I can't not go to sleep at like 5, 6 a.m.
It's also resulted in you having like a fucking 15k amount.
Like, this is the middle of the day for me now. I've only been awake for about, what, like 6 hours?
6, 7?
Would.
Yeah. It's not, the problem is, I think that's okay during summer, but during winter when there's no light, I really struggle.
I've barely seen sunlight, mate. It's actually not been great.
Yeah, it's not good. Bro is not in Cyprus now, he's in the UK right now. If you want his exact location and address, send me 1 Bitcoin. And then I'll tell you. 3 minutes to the hourly close, chat. By the way, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. How many likes do we have? Like, I haven't even mentioned it. 26 likes? Okay, not bad. Chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Much appreciated. Make sure, if you guys haven't already, make sure you go check out the free journal website that we built. It's absolutely goated. SureInsight.app. Unreal. Free for the first, wow. It was meant to be 1,000 members, but we're gonna keep it free for a little bit. Girls love him. Who? candles are 10 minutes behind, but price is not. Yeah, it's probably because you haven't connected, like, you have to connect a prop firm account. You need the data for futures. It's unfortunate, but true. You would want to see, I'd want to see this 5 close below this level here, below 66. Because that would then mean that this is not a higher low being made. Because at the minute, all you have is a higher low, right? You have, this is your first low, this is your second low. So then obviously following that, you could come up and make a higher high. And you don't want to be in sells if that's the case. Chat, by the way, I have a question. What do you guys want to see in terms of YouTube videos? I'm going to be recording some YouTube videos probably tomorrow. I want to do some more, maybe like another raw talk would be cool on the balcony or something. You guys seem to love those. Yeah, what else? So you want to see like a proper day in the life? I mean, I have them on my channel, bro. I can do another one, but real talk, my day in the life is pretty much wake up, stumble over to this desk, work. Nah, not always. I go down, go for a walk in the little. Yo, look, yeah. Recently, I've been going for a walk in there's like a nature reserve near me where I live. It's kind of sick. And we go walk through there. It's quite cool. I don't really do the shit that you see these Miami traders doing, right? I'm not going to Nobu or... I mean, yeah, I have a nice car, but I fucking drive it to the gym and the gym only, pretty much. Alright, chat, 40 seconds. We might actually close below here. A little 5-minute sky dweller or something going on. Use that for stops, maybe? I don't know. Let's see.
Ho ho.
Why is this 5 minutes so different? What? It's like completely different.
Wait, hold on, Sam. I'll join the call back in a second.
I mean, don't worry. Chat, 10 seconds. If we get a top wick on this candle, we might get some sales. Come on. Top wick. Top wick. No. Top wick. No. No. Oh. Oh. I don't like. You've made a range on the 1 minute. I do not like. Chat, I'm going to bed. This is toss. I might stream New York. No, I'm probably going to stream New York in the free Discord tomorrow. Not in the free Discord, sorry, in the paid Discord, because we did a New York session stream here, right? I'll let you guys know in the Discord. So jump in the free Discord if you haven't already. No trades for me today. Oh no, we have one trade, sorry. We hit break even. I think that was a good stream. I think it was a good stream. Price is too unpredictable right now. If you are trading this, then trade responsibly. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the TRLS Academy tomorrow. Otherwise, chat, yeah. W's, subscribe to the channel, go watch the most recent video. Make sure you go use Sure Insight and also grab yourself a Tradeify account whilst they have 40% off. Very important. All right, if you need an account, Tradeify Select plans are the best accounts in the business right now. All right, boys, listen. See you guys later. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye.